to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I dye this hair from this coppery orange to this royal blue. All the hair details will be listed down below. All the products also will be listed down below. If you are new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And also make sure you have the notifications turned on so you don't miss when I upload videos. Don't forget to leave a like, show some love. Let me know what you think of this video if you plan on dyeing your hair this color. With that being said, let's go ahead and get into this video. I am using Dawn's dish detergent. I am using Suave's clarifying shampoo and some baking soda, and I'm just mixing all three. I do not have a certain measurement that I use. I just pretty much eyeball it. Each time I may have used a different amount. I think the first time I always use like a little bit more just because it's the first round. I believe I did a total of 3 rounds, but you're just gonna see me pretty much repeating the same steps throughout the video, just to kind of lift the color out of the wig. So as y'all can see, this wig, the color is coming off pretty fast because it is a rinse dye. But usually with rinse dyes, it takes longer than just one day for it to rinse out. So this is why I'm using all of these products. I have tried this method before on my channel when I changed my wig color from, red to purple. If you haven't checked that video out, I will list it down and below in the description box and also up in the card so you guys can check it out. But yeah, that's pretty much what I'm doing here. As y'all can see, the color is coming out pretty good. So this is what the wig looks like after the first round. I don't really remember how long I let it sit, but this is going into the second round. As y'all can see, it's a little bit lighter, but not as light as I need it to be for the blue color. Alright y'all, so this is the next day. This is what the wig looks like. I feel like this wig is a little bit orange to me, so that's why I used a little bit more dye just to make sure that the blue was set in my wig. So I am using indigo blue and ocean blue, and I did use a full bottle of both, and I'm just mixing it in with my comb just to make sure there's no lumpy clumps of dye so it doesn't stick to my hair and those lumpy clumpy, you know, like once you take it out and sometimes you'll see patches of like really thick patches of dye. So I just wanted to make sure that that was not happening to this wig. So I just made sure I mixed in really good. You're gonna see here, once I dipped the wig in the hair, I really didn't like the way the color looked, so I did go in and add some more dye, and that's what led me to using a full bottle of both. So yeah, that's pretty much what you see me doing. And of course you can add as much dye as you want. I feel like the more water you use, the more dye you have to use, so I decided to not use as much water, and it did work out a little bit better because I feel like the blue took to the hair a little bit better, especially more than what the purple wig did in my last video. Alright y'all, so that pretty much wrapped up this video. This is what the hair looked like fresh out of the water and still wet. I did not style on camera because I did not plan on cutting bangs, but as y'all can see in the thumbnail, I did cut bangs. But if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and leave some comments down below, and I will see y'all in the next one.